Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making a look with NETTYBIRD's Sibling Loyalty Palette. If you'd like to see the look I come up with, please stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Allie, nice to meet you. So the other day, my good friend, One Busy Mama, did an awesome look with the Burning Blue Rose, I believe it was called, and she kind of like challenged anybody to like repeat what she did or come up with their own thing. So I decided I'm going to do that, and I'm going to come up with a look using my NETTYBIRD palette. NETTYBIRD is an indie company. They are awesome. I actually just ordered vitamin C. I'm so excited because it's like their fall looking palette. I can't wait. So here's the colors right here, guys. We have so many different colors. I am so excited. So let's make a burning blue rose look. All right, guys. So here is a picture of the rose right there. I'm sorry my ring light is blinding. But that's the picture of that. I should have printed it out. But that's the look we're going to try to come up with. So I'm really intrigued, and let's get this look on. So the first color I'm going to go in with is Partner in Crime, which is this beautiful color right there. And I'm going to use my handy Jeffree Star JS6. Okay, so that's our first color. On to the next one. The next color I'm going to go in with is Harmony, which is this beautiful blue right there. This look is coming out amazing. So I'm going to be going in with a few of these shimmers. So I'm going to be switching them up. You'll be seeing it. Moving on to this one. Wow, I'm blown away. This really is kind of incorporating all the different colors of the rose. Alright, I'm going to clean up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to have to put a blue underneath my eye as well. Okay, time for some mascara and lashes. I'm going to be applying KEVYN, the Expert Mascara. If you know me, I think you know this is my favorite mascara, or this is the one I'm on right now. I do want to try out NARS's new mascara. So, I get on a kick with mascaras. Like, I'll find one I really like and I'll just use it forever. So, onto lashes. I'm going to be using ColourPop'S Chica lashes. I love these lashes, and I love saying Chica. Alright guys, so here's my final look. I'm going to just keep the lip gloss on. I don't have any blue lipsticks to be honest anyways. But here is my blue rose look. I love it. Bethany, I hope you like it. I thought it was cool how you're like, anyone can do this look with me. So I decided I wanted to do it with you. So if you guys like this video, could you comment down below? How do you think the eyeshadow came out? It's an indie brand. What do you think about it? And if you guys could subscribe, that'd be awesome. You're here. Why not? And if you guys could follow me over on Alli's Magical Insights on Instagram. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! Mwah! Love you!